Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something sleek, smart, and seriously powerful, the TOZO Golden X2 Pro wireless earbuds. These earbuds are making waves in the wireless audio space, with premium features at a surprisingly competitive price point. If you're looking for your next pair of high-end earbuds, but don't want to break the bank, you're gonna want to stick around. The TOZO Golden X2 Pro comes in a sleek, premium-looking case with a brushed metal finish that screams executive gadget. You're looking at a compact, pebble-shaped charging case with a strong magnetic lid and a satisfying snap when closed. Open it up, and you're greeted by the earbuds themselves, a refined blend of matte and gloss textures. They're minimalist but stylish, with a subtle gold accent that adds a touch of class without looking too flashy. One thing that stands out right away: these earbuds don't feel cheap. They have a solid weight to them, the kind of build quality you'd expect from much pricier models, like the Sony WF-1000XM5 or the Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds II. They're also rated IPX6 for water resistance, which means they can handle sweat and rain like a champ. Whether you're commuting or working out, they're built to endure. Next up, let's talk about comfort, because no matter how great the features are, if they hurt your ears, you're not going to wear them. TOZO includes 6 pairs of ear tips in various sizes, so you've got a good chance of finding the perfect fit. Once you pop them in, they create a snug seal that helps with both passive noise isolation and overall sound quality. Despite the solid build, they're surprisingly lightweight. You can wear them for hours without fatigue, perfect for long flights, marathon Zoom meetings, or just vibing to your favorite playlists. They also stay in place during workouts, even during more intense movement like running or cycling. No wiggling loose, no falling out, just secure, all-day wear. Now here's where things get exciting: sound quality. The TOZO Golden X2 Pro features 10mm dynamic drivers with graphene diaphragms, which offer a well-balanced audio profile. Right out of the box, you get crisp highs, rich mids, and a deep, punchy bass, but the magic happens when you open the TOZO app. Inside the app, you'll find a full 10-band EQ that lets you customize your sound signature to your exact taste. Whether you want more thump in your bass, a flatter studio sound, or something bright for podcasts and audiobooks, it's all there. Vocals are clean and forward, making these ideal for pop, rock, and hip-hop. But they also hold up well with more detailed genres like classical or jazz. Instrument separation is decent, and there's a surprising amount of soundstage for closed-in ear monitors. They also support LDAC for high-resolution audio streaming, a huge win for audiophiles who want the best from their music library or hi-fi streaming services. Active noise cancellation is another standout here. The TOZO Golden X2 Pro uses hybrid ANC technology, combining feed-forward and feedback microphones to cancel out up to 42 dB of background noise. In real-world use, it's incredibly effective. On a train or plane, it muffles engine noise and chatter down to a quiet hum. In a coffee shop or office, it helps you focus by removing the low rumbles and higher frequencies like clinking cups and typing. There's also a transparency mode that's equally impressive. With a quick tap, you can hear your surroundings clearly without taking the earbuds out. It's perfect for conversations or staying alert while walking around the city. And the best part? You can adjust the level of noise cancellation and transparency within the app. You get control over your environment like never before. Let's talk connectivity. These earbuds use Bluetooth 5.3, which means faster pairing, better range, and reduced latency. Whether you're watching YouTube, streaming Netflix, or gaming, audio stays in perfect sync. They also support dual device connection, so you can stay paired to your phone and laptop at the same time. Answer a call on your phone, then go right back to watching a video on your laptop. Seamless. Touch controls are intuitive and customizable. You can play/pause, skip tracks, toggle ANC, summon your voice assistant, and even adjust volume all with a tap or long press. And yes, you can remap these functions in the app if you prefer a different layout. The TOZO app also includes a fit test, battery status display, firmware updates, and more. It's well designed, easy to use, and enhances the earbuds in a big way. Be a TTERYLIFA. Now for battery life, and this is another area where the Golden X2 Pro impresses. You get around 8 hours of playtime with ANC off, and about 6.5 hours with ANC on. The charging case adds another 24 to 30 hours, depending on your usage. That's a total of nearly 35 hours on a single charge. And when it's time to juice up, you have options. There's USB-C fast charging that gives you about an hour of playtime in just 10 minutes. And yes, they also support wireless charging, which is a premium touch rarely found in this price range. BONUSFET Let's take a quick look at some bonus features that really round out the package. In ear detection, music pauses when you take them out and resumes when you put them back in. Voice assistant support, fully compatible with Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa. Gaming mode reduces latency even further for a smoother mobile gaming experience. Environmental noise cancellation, ENC for calls, ensures your voice is crystal clear on the other end, even in noisy environments. These features make the Golden X2 Pro more than just earbuds, they're a multi-tool for modern life. So, what's the final verdict on the TOZO Golden X2 Pro? You're getting premium build quality, excellent sound with e-re support, powerful ANC customizable features, and long battery life, all at a price that undercuts most flagship earbuds. No, they won't replace a $300 pair of ultra-premium audiophile buds, but they come shockingly close for a fraction of the cost. They're perfect for commuters, students, gym-goers, and anyone who wants great wireless sound without compromise. Pros: rich, customizable sound, strong ANC and transparency, premium materials and design, excellent app support, LDAC and dual device connectivity. Cons: no auto pause during calls when removing earbuds. App only available for iOS and Android, no desktop version. If you're in the market for wireless earbuds that offer the best balance of value, performance, and style, the TOZO Golden X2 Pro should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into awesome tech, and drop a comment below. Are you thinking about grabbing the Golden X2 Pro? Or do you already have them? Let us know what you think. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.